What's up, you guys? So I'm going to give you 5 quick content ideas for when you are feeling lazy. Let's jump right into it. Number 1, my day in 9 seconds. You can change the time, of course. You don't have to do 9 seconds, but I think that 9 seconds is an appropriate amount of timing to give a general idea of how awesome and beautiful your day went. And you can do 3 seconds from your morning. So let's just say you're going for a Starbucks run or you're making coffee at home. 3 seconds of that. Then you do 3 seconds of your afternoon. Let's just say you take your kids to the park. Then 3 seconds of your evening. Let's say you do a spa skincare routine. So just maybe you doing a facial or something like that. You see how easy that is? Let's just say you're a business owner. You could do 3 seconds of you waking up, checking your orders on your computer, 3 seconds of you packaging an order, and 3 seconds of you shipping it off at FedEx. Easy. Put some trending audio behind it. Good to go. I like this idea because you can take content that you already have in your phone and put it together. We don't know that you went on that trip 3 years ago. Put that content in there. Boom. Number 2, motivational content over trending audio. So we all know how to find trending audio on our platforms, correct? If you don't, then you're definitely going to need my ebook, which is dropping really, really soon. So make sure you stay tuned. But find you some trending audio. Of course, make it relatable, make it upbeat, make it motivational, you know? But yeah, put some affirmations. I'm gonna come up with something off the top of my head. I can because I believe I can. Boom, put that over. You can really do a simple background, or you can do an image of something, or you can do a video of something like the tide rolling in. You can find stock footage and do it that way. The audio is what's going to carry it. People love things that they can read. So easy, quick content. It'll take you like 2 minutes to make. Try it. Okay, number 3. Now, it's a lot of girlies and guys cashing in on this one, and I really need to, because baby, when I tell you I sit and scroll and I be cracking up at some of these videos. Yeah, reaction videos. And I think I am gonna start doing that, matter of fact. Okay. So yeah, reaction videos. If you feel like you have a funny reaction to things that you see on social media, even if you don't feel like you do, I've seen some that are absolutely boring, snooze fest, and people still watch them. And it's repurposing content. Now, on some platforms, I'm not going to lie to you, they don't monetize as well when it's content that is repurposed. When the system or the algorithm picks up on the fact that, hey, this has been on here before. It's a little different, but it's been on here before. I recognize this. It may limit your monetization, but at the time that you are trying to simply build your engagement, your reach, it doesn't matter. You content. You can do it side by side. You can do it picture in picture. You can do green screen. Whatever you choose to do, it's up to you. Don't overthink it. Don't overcomplicate it. Just do it. Number 4, behind the scenes content. Now, we have all recorded ourselves just doing nothing. And then we just don't even post it. Or let's just say you started doing a tutorial. I'm going to use sewing, for example. It's so many times that I've started doing sewing tutorials and I forget to finish, or I'm in a rush to finish the order, so I don't get the rest of the footage. And it just ends up being just content in my phone that I can't use. Or can I? All you have to do, let's just say I started recording that sewing video and I have 30 minutes of me just sitting at the machine. I can speed that up, or I can just cut it and keep it at the regular speed that it's at. And I can do it behind the scenes. Put some trending audio on that. Easy, breezy content. Okay, and the last one, number 5, lo-fi aesthetic vibes, okay? So this one is simple. Remember how I said earlier you could take like the beach, the waves, whatever. For this one, just imagine riding through the city. You record something riding through the city, it's nighttime, and you put a Friday song over it, or Ari Lennox, or just something smooth, something vibey. I'm thinking like Masego, Good and Plenty. And if you haven't heard that song, maybe you need to check it out because it is the shit. Okay? But yeah, put something moody over it, especially if it's a nighttime clip. Yeah, it could be something like you and your family on an outing, prop your phone up, record you walking, holding hands at night. Aesthetics. People love aesthetics. I did a video of my coffee maker. I was simply brewing some coffee. And I made the color grade very, very moody, very low tones, very cinematic. Honey, it was giving. And then I put that music over it, and it gave it a whole vibe. So yes, those are 5 quick, easy content ideas for you to quit being a lazy content creator, or for you to keep being a lazy content creator but making it work for you sometimes. Tell me what you think about these 5. Let me know if you're interested in some more tips, tricks, whatever, if you're interested in monetizing your platform so you can stop working that day job. Okay, the AI and robots are probably about to take it. Let me know, because I got a lot up here and I've learned a lot over the years. If you have any questions, drop them down below. If it's certain videos that you want, drop them down below. Help me with my content so I can help you guys with your content, okay? Bye-bye.